Well, good morning and happy Tuesday. It's a really mild start to our morning. We're into the 60s. Some spots already getting into the 70s. We have 71 in Springfield, 75 in Wassenberg, into the upper 60s in Colorado Springs for what will be a hot afternoon, especially in comparison to yesterday's seasonal temperatures. Let's flip to the forecast by MJ Heating and Air and what to expect for today. I'm going to go straight to the high temperature map. I don't like all this. 90s and 100s on the board. 92 in Colorado Springs, 100s along the lower Arkansas River Valley, 89 in Alamosa. It's going to be a warm day, especially if you plan to be outside, especially in the afternoon. Make sure you're taking all the heat precautions to go with it because there really won't be a lot of relief for today. We will see an increase in cloud cover by the time we get to the afternoon, which is the good news, but there won't be much falling from those clouds. Now, as I advance the stormcast in time, you'll see a couple blips start to pop up around the Pikes Peak region. Not meaningful rainfall by no means. That's the bad news. Could be through some wind or so, but I'm going with very quiet day around here. As we get to the afternoon, we will start to see a couple thunderstorms develop along I-70 into Cheyenne County and also Kiowa County as well. So this could be some stronger thunderstorms, and the reason for that is because there's a cold front that's on the way. This is the surface map just to show you kind of what's going on, and you'll notice off to our north and east, it's inching closer and closer to Colorado, and it's going to do a couple of things for us. For one, it's going to drop our temperatures tomorrow back to the seasonable category. Behind the front, it'll also increase the moisture at the surface and change the wind direction. So tomorrow, we're looking at a little bit more of a busy and active afternoon. I'll show you the temperatures first. This is going to feel much nicer when you take the averages for August 19th or what it will be tomorrow. 85 right on par with that. 90 in Pueblo, 90 in Canyon City. So great temperatures. And then when you factor in how busy it's going to be, we'll get some clouds in here, some rain showers, some thunderstorms. That makes the forecast feel a little bit better as well too. So this is the stormcast for tomorrow. Talking about Wednesday, not today, tomorrow. You'll notice we'll start the day with some clouds, maybe some drizzle, some low-level clouds to go with it. And then we'll get a brief lull in the action. And then we'll start to build in some rain showers into the mountains first. As it approaches the interstate, it tends to strengthen just a bit, and you're seeing that there with the thunderstorms that are popping up on the stormcast. We'll once again watch for around the Aspen Acres burn scar area and some vulnerable spots in the state. There could be some heavy rain that falls in some of these storms as we move in time to Wednesday afternoon. So if you have any plans later on in the day tomorrow, might need to adjust those a little bit or at least watch out to dodge a couple rain showers and storms. Then we turn our attention towards the eastern plains into Wednesday night. Could see some stronger storms along Highway 50 to the south and also some areas to the north. Much needed rainfall that we need around here. In the 7-day forecast, I have that aligned with the next 2 days being drier for today. More showers and storms for our Wednesday, and then we start to quiet out as we go into the rest of the week. Temperature highs will be into the mid to upper 90s in both Pueblo and Canyon City, and I'm keeping around a couple 20% chances. Those will just be a couple isolated showers and storms that occur in the afternoon. Nothing widespread like what we're going to see for tomorrow. Woodland Park, same story there as well. So going into the rest of this work week, it's going to be on the quieter side with the exception of Wednesday. Now, Colorado Springs, I have the 10-day forecast on here just to show you that it's going to be quiet here as well. We'll see the mid-80s tomorrow with some showers and storms and quieten up for the rest of the week. But then we'll start to have a more favorable atmosphere for the monsoon to make a return. So we'll have some showers and storms in here for the back half of next week. Temperature highs right now, I'm forecasting into the upper 80s. We could drop those a little bit. And of course, we'll tweak and refine that as we get closer till. Alrighty, that's the scoop on the weather for this Tuesday. We'll be right back.